What's up, guys? Biker Dave here. 2017 Dodge Durango RT. This will apply to a ton of different Durangos, I believe from 2011 on up. The issue is the little strut shock absorber thing that holds the hood up is it's getting weak, basically. And this is not even a very heavy hood. I don't even think it's metal, quite honestly. But anyway, the other day I had the hood lifted up, working on the car, and the hood was slowly coming down. Very easy to replace. I'll put a link down below where you can get the replacement strut. First thing you need to do is support the hood with something. So I'm just using some kind of bottle. So however you want to do that, but you need to have some sort, or have a helper hold the hood up for you, because when you remove this, the hood's going to completely slam down. It could, cause a problem. So hold the hood up however you need to. Get you just a relatively small flat-bladed screwdriver, and to remove it, you will just put your screwdriver right in there and just separate that right there, and that little clip that you see, that little sort of roundish half moon clip, will pop out a little bit, and then you just by hand physically pull it off, and then do the same to the bottom. Come over here, get your little screwdriver right in there and just pry it slightly open, and then physically pull it off. And then, make sure you're putting the new one on in the same order that the old one's on. So notice that before you remove it. Here's your replacement right here. Very easy to do. Okay. I don't have my tripod with me, so I'm just going to prop the phone up right there. And yeah, from the top one, you just put your little flat screwdriver and just sort of pry it off. The little clip will sort of move. Might need a little shorter screwdriver. Okay, here's a little shorter one. The other one I had, obviously too long. Try it from the bottom. Yeah, come from underneath it. And then pry it open. See that? You'll see it pop out right there. Okay, now make sure the hood is supported when you're about to do this. Just pull it off. It'll drop down. Make sure the hood is supported. There you go. All right. New one. You just basically push it in. You just push it on there basically with the round side. Just get it out here. Give it a firm push. It clicks in place. Okay. Now I'm going to raise it back up and remove the bottom portion, which is the same manner. You'll just push the new one on. And that's all there is to it. Okay. Lift up on it. Find that little post. Just right there. Line it up. Firmly. Push it on there. You'll hear it kind of click. And there it is. Easy as you please. Once again, I'll have a link below for where you can find this item for this particular model. But this applies to a ton of different cars. If it's for a hatchback strut, hood strut, rear glass strut. I mean, it's all pretty much the same as far as separating that little clip right there. They're all basically the same, but as far as the length and all that, make sure that you measure yours in advance. That may help, because some online listings are incorrect. So you definitely want to measure your old one and match that up with whatever you're about to order. Anyway, that's it. We've got tons of other videos about this car, 2017 Durango RT. Great car. I've had it for a few years now. I really enjoy it. It's not perfect, but it's a good car. I got about 105,000 miles on it. Still going pretty well. I've only had a few unscheduled repairs to do, and it's good overall. Anyway, tons of videos on our channel. Check it all out. Social media links in the description. And if our video helped you out, make sure you click that thanks button that's underneath the video screen. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you.